Today's topic is budgeting. Okay? Getting started with budgeting in 2025 is simpler and more important than ever. Here is a practical step-by-step guide tailored for absolute beginners. Step first, set your financial goal. Begin with a clear intention. Ask yourself, what do I want my money to achieve in 2025? It might be paying off debt, saving for a trip, or building an emergency fund. Having a specific goal makes your budget meaningful and motivate you to stick to the plan. Step 2. Understand your income. List all sources of money you will receive. Your salary, gig income, rent, dividend, and everything. For salaried folks, this is straightforward. Freelancers or self-employed people should estimate conservatively for variable incomes. Step 3. Track and categorize expenses. Write down every expenses for at least 1 month. Include essential, eating out, entertainment, debt payment, insurance, and saving contribution. This gives you a real view of your spending habits. Step 4. Choose a budgeting method. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of income to needs, 30 to wants, 20 to saving or debts repayment. It's easy to start and adapt to most situations. Envelope method. Use physical or digital envelope for different categories. Spend only what in each envelope per month. Zero based budget. Assign every rupee a job until you reach zero. Every saving and investments. This ensure complete control. Step 5. Create your actual budget. Add up your expected income. Then subtract essential expenses, saving, and discretionary items. Make sure your expenses do not exceed your income. Adjust where necessary. Cut non-essential or boost income if you are in the red. Step 6. Automated and use digital tool. Use budgeting app like YNAB, Mint or local options. These can connect to bank account, track spending automatically and even set reminders. Automation helps avoid missed payment and saving slippage. Step 7. Monitor, review and adjust monthly. Schedule a money date each month to review your budget, track progress toward goals and adjust categories as needed. Income and expenses change over time and so should your plan. Step 8. Last step. Stay flexible and be kind to yourself. No one gets it perfect the first time. If you overspend or miss a goal, review what happened and restart. The most successful budgets are the ones you keep coming back to. Quick checklist: 2025 budgeting, list and total all income streams. Track every rupee spent for 1 month. Categorize expenses into needs, wants and saving debts. Choose and set up your preferred budgeting method. Use digital tools for automation. Schedule a monthly review. I hope you like this topic. At last, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about taking control and unlocking your financial freedom. Thank you.